Hey folks, John here at Adventure RV, and I bet you're wondering why I'm showing you this. So this is how, this is standard build on the 18 Explorer. We did not even come close to doing that. We did our build very close to the one I'm standing in, which is the 17 Explorer. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So having a couch here and dinette there versus what I just showed you. You can rewind if you want to see it. But that has been our most popular layout. So instead of, here's my 18 Explorer, dual axle instead of single axle, right? You got that on the back too, so you can throw a bike rack or generator rack or something on there. But instead of having a boring old bunk bed setup, we got the top bunk there, which moves up and down, or you have this guy. So top bunk folds out of the way. I usually only push it a little bit so you got some headroom here, but then you also have a couch here, so if you want to sit and jig fish, boom, there you go, right? And you got a little cup holder right there, and we also put the table there because most people, they're going to want to sit there, play cards, eat, and you know what? You could take this table, throw it outside. You got 2 extra fishing holes down there. Now, if you want a full walkthrough on the 18 to know like how it's built and what's the difference between Glacier and everything, go to the video that's just below this one, and it's a walkthrough on the 17 RV. Every way that is built, this is built the same. The only difference, this is a foot longer, it's dual axle, it's hydraulic, so the difference is you got little ports here that are access to the hydraulic lines, but as you can see, it's pretty much the same as the 17 Explorer. Oops, somebody shut my lights off in here. There we go. Fan up there too. So you could see it's got the same stuff. I'll do a little walkthrough so you can see everything. But if you want the in-depth review, like I say, go down to the one video right below this that says 17 RV Explorer 2026 in-depth review. But I will show you around this. It's pretty much the same. You know, you can sit here and jig. You got the accent lights under there. This has the split lid, which is more expensive than the standard build again. The standard build, this does not flip up. It is not split. You just have a couple doors down here. It's nice that they have the no slam. And on this side, same thing. Nice big lift. No slam doors over here. Everything's sanded off. Different on the 17 or the 18 again. You got storage down below there. Nice big fridge. You got the gas electric fridge. You got the lift bed again. And of course there, pretty slick bunk bed ladder that extends so you can stick that ladder up here. This will drop pretty low. It'll come down almost onto the table if you wanted it to. So anyway, yeah, so you could see lots of stuff added to this, the spray foam floor, all that good stuff. You can read it on the website there too. We put the big window in the back instead of putting it on the side, so you could put like a 50-inch TV up there, do the picture-in-picture where someone's watching TV and the other one can be on your AquaView or your Garmin, anything that you'd rather watch on there. You can see how nicely lit up these are, so come on in, check it out. You won't be disappointed. 2 extra holes under there also. We always do that. And like I mentioned, spray foam floor. We also always bring it in with these lights on both sides. There's a speaker right there. They have a rain gauge, spare tire matches. Nice big heavy duty galvanized GS frame. That's galvanized dipped. And then you can see I have the extra lights on this side too. We bring it in the black smooth aluminum I got right here. I've got 2 more coming in too. They'll be here pretty soon. Right now we're in the middle of November. I've got, I believe a white and a charcoal on the way too. So anyway, heck, even if you wanted a special order one and you want to make it your own and make it a little different, you can sure do that. But we like to load them up with all the stuff people want. So there it is. It is really sharp, isn't it? I like black because it goes with any truck you might have. And it's very shiny. Thanks for watching.